Welcome back to The Dirt on Clean, the podcast where we spotlight the leaders shaping the spaces we live, work, and play in, and how they keep them clean, safe, and thriving. This show is especially for you, the facilities managers, operation leads, and business decision makers who care about setting the standards and sustaining high performance environments. I'm your host, Thais Graham, and today we're talking to two women who are rewriting the rules in commercial cleaning. Meet Illissa Figueroa and Chicas McNamara, co-owners and principal of Preferred Capital Cleaning. They've built a full-service commercial and post-construction cleaning company that's trusted by clients across DC, Maryland, and Virginia, and known for getting the details right every time. Illissa and Anna, welcome to The Dirt on Clean.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you so much, Thais. We're excited to be here.
Yes, we're thrilled to join this conversation.
Awesome. Let's start with Illissa. Your story starts in architecture. For our listeners in facilities management, especially those managing both new builds and occupied spaces, how did your path lead to commercial cleaning?
Well, I studied architecture at Temple University and started in design, but eventually moved into project management. That's where I saw it. After construction, a space isn't truly ready until it's clean. There was a missing link between build and handover, and that's where we stepped in.
Awesome. And now with you, Anna, your background is in the construction and operations. For facilities professionals listening, what pain points were you seeing on site that inspired you to launch Preferred Capital?
So for years, I worked on the construction side, from budgeting to managing our subs. And I saw delays, I saw inconsistencies in final walkthroughs compromised by poor cleaning. So Eliza and I realized we could deliver a more strategic, reliable, and professional service. So we teamed up.
Tell us what facilities managers can expect when they work with Preferred Capital Cleaning.
We're a full-service commercial cleaning company that include post-construction cleaning, janitorial services, healthcare, multifamily, offices, retail, and more. We're detail-oriented and we train our team like a professional workforce because they are.
We serve the entire DMV region and we're focused on long-term partnerships. Our goal is to make every facilities manager look good by handling cleaning in a way that's proactive, responsive, and seamless.
Great. Let's get practical. For the FMs tuning in, what should they be asking a potential cleaning partner before signing a contract?
First things first, certification. We're certified MBE, DBE, SBE, WB, HBE, and that reflects our investment in quality, safety, and standards. Then ask about quality control, staff training, and how they handle turnover. Consistency matters.
Also, ask how they handle communication. Are they on top of issues before you bring them up? Do they understand the flow of your building? The best cleaning partners should feel like an extension of your team.
And you both lead a woman and minority owned company. How does this separate you from your competition?
These certifications matter, not just for business, but because they push us to lead with a purpose. We're building a company where diversity is valued and where opportunity is tied to our performance and pride in the work.
That's amazing. You've both worked across architecture, construction, and operations. For your audiences of FM Pro, what's the key to aligning a big picture vision in the daily execution?
It's all about system. Whether managing a building or cleaning, you need processes, communication, follow through. My design background helps me speak the language of general contractors and architects and understand what our clients really need.
Mhm. Anna, what do you think facilities managers often overlook when choosing a cleaning vendor?
That this work is technical. It's not just wiping down surfaces, it's OSHA compliance, cross-contamination protocols, lead alignment, and so much more. I mean, you need a team that gets it and that delivers this like clockwork.
That's great. You guys seem like a great partnership. What trend are you seeing in the commercial cleaning industry that our listeners should be paying attention to?
Like in every industry, technology is huge, from digital inspections to client portals, but the bigger trend, transparency. Clients want to see what's happening, when, and how. And sustainability is no longer an option, it's expected.
What advice would you give to other women and underrepresented entrepreneurs listening who want to break into this space?
I would say know your numbers, know your value for sure. This industry rewards integrity and persistence. Build systems, stay consistent, and surround yourself with people who believe in this mission.
That's great, valuable advice. What do you think are the biggest challenges in commercial cleaning and how do you get over them?
Let's see. I think one of the biggest challenges for any workforce is building the right team and keeping them engaged. Here at Preferred Capital Cleaning, we overcome that by investing heavily in training, support, and communication. We actively seek feedback from our field staff and make sure they're part of the process and not just the outcome. We regularly conduct surveys to understand what's working and where there are gaps. And most importantly, we don't just collect data and feedback, we act on it. For example, if there's a breakdown in communication between team members and supervisors, we develop and implement a clear action plan to resolve it. It's about creating a culture where everyone feels heard, supported, and set up for success.
That is such a good, clear instruction. I'm glad that this is valuable for facilities managers over here. For those interested in connecting or learning more, where can they find you guys?
You can visit preferredcapitalcleaning.com or find us both on LinkedIn. You can search Anna Chicas McNamara or Illissa Figueroa.
That's great. Anna, Eliza, thank you so much for joining us. Your story is a reminder that excellence is built from the ground up, and clean, when done right, is transformational. To our listeners, especially the facilities managers and leaders out there, if you're looking to raise your standards, start with who you partner with. Check the show notes for the links to connect with today's guests. And if you know someone doing incredible work in this space, visit intelliart.ai/the Dirt Clean podcast. Until next time, stay sharp, stay clean, and keep raising the bar. Thank you so much, Anna and Ilissa.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.
Thank you.